Yeah, g'day guys. Today's little job actually was a job I did a couple of years ago. I had to go over to the neighbour's place and try and help with a bit of water diversion. So we made a little bund, and it's a bit easier now for him to run his mower along his little ride on the. So if you watch till the end, I will show you the end result. Rain and mowing and how tidy it looks when the job's all done. So enjoy the video. So here's that bund wall about 8 months later, all grassed over, and the owner is quite easily mowing over the top of it. And that little rill over there, over that way, hasn't quite grassed up yet, but we haven't had a lot of rain in the last few months, so it's all job done. So guys, if you like this video and any other digger type videos that I do, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like, and you'll be able to catch up with all the new ones as they come along. So guys, thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one. See ya.